Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. A little short video. When I was using Tagcuts the other day when I made this video, and I said it might have had a limitation to how many you could put over there. Well, I actually had the pleasure of talking with Mr. Roy Brewer, that is the inventor of this, or the writer of this. He goes, maximum number is 9. Well, what I was doing wrong, you need to put this, because it knows your page size. He's written in your page size. And if you started from here, you can only do 9. Well, if you put it up to the top left corner and go back to Tagcuts, and now you can put 13 in my bed. And let's say you want to do 10 rows to make 130. There you have it. It will make you 130 name badges that quick. And if you didn't watch the other videos, these are individual lines, so they do not cut but one time. Like this line is a separate line from this line. There's no double lines. And while we're just doing this, we're going to go ahead and just, because I'm such a strong believer in Tagcuts, a name tag should normally have like a little scallop on it. So let's put a 0.25 scallop on it and have a little roundness of the corner. Of course, that time I only did 2x3, but you could do as many name tags as you want. And that's pretty cool, because every one of these names is a different line. We have to ungroup it. So this line is a separate line. It will only cut one time. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.